Welcome back. The earnings reports are coming in hot and heavy. Brad, let's hit Coca-Cola before that opening bell on Wall Street. A good quarter by Coca-Cola. What stood out to me is price. Here's another big packaged good company. We've been tracking them all the past 2 weeks. Conagra, you name it, pushing through higher prices on consumers. And volume took a hit a little bit, but by and large, it was good. Coca-Cola's price in the third quarter up 12%. That is huge.
Yeah, operating margin 27.9, nearly 28% there. And that particularly is going to be one of the stories to track throughout this earnings season too, where because of on higher operational expenses, you actually might see some of that margin compression. We were teeing this up coming into this earnings season as well. And so that's something to keep an eye on. But again, when you think about some of the market share that the companies are going to continue to try to take in this near-term period, Coca-Cola calling that out, gain value share in total non-alcoholic, ready-to-drink beverages. And so for the other alcoholic side of the business, perhaps they're going to look to make some headway through partnerships there. I think there was like a Coke and Jack partnership that they rolled out. Yeah,
as it should be. But look, the surprising thing here, I would say, is just the resilience of these businesses. We talked to Procter & Gamble CEO John Mueller last week. Their quarter was pretty good. They passed through higher prices. Coca-Cola did the same thing. And then don't forget PepsiCo. They were out of the gate very early reporting better than expected earnings. Look what CFO Hugh Johnson told us.
We do think that we'll continue to perform pretty well, regardless of the economic environment. One of the beauties of consumer staples is while people may trim their purchases in durables and more higher end goods, in a difficult environment, people want a bit of an affordable luxury, and a bag of chips or a beverage is something that they can treat themselves with and give themselves a smile. So we should perform well through good and bad economy.
I do. I think chips are an affordable luxury.
It is
I think it is because we don't need them in our lives.
Yeah, but make sure
they're there.
Make sure the bag is filled up. No more shrinkflation. No more, putting
a lot in
extra
cereal,
air in
Brad.
that.
A lot in cereal. They have cut the bag size in cereal.
Really?
It's brutal. Yeah, and they've also. I am a Rice Chex fan, and I recently dabbled back in Rice Chex. I've noticed that they've pulled back on the amount of Rice Chex. Now I'm certainly getting an email from this company, but also too the Rice Chex themselves
are
smaller than I remember, and that's not right, Brad. It's not right.
We need to get you on.
Love me some Rice Chex.
Some cinnamon toast crunch. I
don't think our whole team of young millennials, they've never even heard of Rice Chex.
No.
So good.
Nah, they were on
Chex Mix. Y'all like football. Chex Mix.